मैं इन्हां दे पिछले साल तो इन्हां नूं गुजारिश करदा आ रहा था कि तुसीं तुहानूं सन्मानित किया जाना चाहिए है। तो इन्होंने हमेशा ही गल की जिन्ना चिर मेरिया बेटियां नहीं इत्थे आउंदियां, जिन्ना चिर उन्होंने ये समा सूटेबल नहीं होएगा, मैं उन्ना चिर ये सन्मान लैना नहीं। ये नाल ही मैं इस गुरुद्वारा प्रबंधक कमेटी का, बोर्ड ऑफ डायरैक्टर्स का, बोर्ड ऑफ ट्रस्टी का भी तह दिलों शुक्रगुजार हाँ सारी संगत वालों और रिसिपिएंट्स वालों भी, जिन्होंने इस बजुर्गों की इस सांझ नूं कायम करने लई, उन्हां दा सत्कार मान कायम करने एक सीनियर सिटीजन कमेटी बनाई है, जिसकी सेवा अज दे मैनूं करने का मौका मिल रहा है। मैं सरदार मनमोहन सिंह जी पुरी नूं इत्थे कहांगा आउण ते अपना सन्मान लैण। इहदे नाल ही इस तो बाद उन्हां दी बेटी जिहड़ी ज्योति सिंह है, जिन्ना चਿਰ आउंदी नहीं मैं उहदे बारे भी थोड़ा जिहा दस दियां। ज्योति सिंह स्पैशली अपने डैड दे इस सन्मान समारोह लई न्यूयॉर्क तो आई है। वो एक फिल्म एक्ट्रेस भी है और फिल्म प्रोड्यूस भी करती है, हॉलीवुड ਲਈ भी तो इंडिपेंडेंस के तौर पर भी। ये अपने पिता जी बारे, क्योंकि मैं इन्ना नहीं जानता जो बच्चियों को पता है अपने पिता बारे, उस तो बाद ये बच्ची अपने पिता जी बारे जो भी कहना चाहेंगे कहेंगे। मैं सर मनमोहन सिंह जी पुरी साहब आ रहे ने, इन्ना चिर नहीं पहुँचते मैं उन्ना चिर एक मिनट होर लै लेना। मेरी एक होर सारे के अगे हाथ जोड़ के बेनती है, अपनी संगत जिन्ने भी होर बजुर्ग ने जिन्होंने तुसी जानते होवो, शर्त सिर्फ एक है कि वो इस मुल्क के जां शहरी हों तो जां पक्के नागरिक हों, परमानेंट रेजिडेंट हों। असीं चाहांगे कि अपनी संगत के सारे बुजुर्गों का सन्मान इस तरह किया जाए जिवें अज असीं पुरी साहब का सन्मान कर रहे हाँ। तुहाडे पास कोई भी ना होवे तो प्लीज़ कमेटी दे, बोर्ड ऑफ ट्रस्टीज दे, बोर्ड ऑफ डायरैक्टर्स दे या किसी ने भी उन्होंने नाम दस दिओ ताकि उन्होंने सन्मान अरेंज किया जा सके। जो ट्रॉफी अवार्ड दिता जा रहा है पुरी साहब नूं, सम हाउ ये प्लेग समय से तैयार नहीं हो सकी, जी कि मैं इन्होंने अगले हफ्ते हैंड ओवर कर देंगे पर्सनली। पर उन्होंने जो टैक्सट है वो है एक ओंकार सतगुरु प्रसाद सरदार मनमोहन सिंह पुरी, born on October 6, 1934, is honored on July 10th, 2016 in honor and appreciation of his services, contributions and inspiration to the congregation of the Sikh Gurdwara of North Carolina. इन्हें कह के मैं दस लेना हाँ ज्ञानी जी शुरू करो। लोग कहते हैं भी ओनी से बोले सुनिहार ज्योति सिंह
वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। We are thankful to Gurdwara Sahib members for celebrating and honoring our father, Mr. Manmohan Singh Puri, and his life. He's 81 years old, and indeed, you would say he's lived his life to the fullest and with so many experiences and stories. He was born on October 6, 1934 in undivided India, in a well-established joint family, and migrated to Delhi, India during partition in 1947. After reaching India, the family struggled hard for survival. His grandfather was a civil surgeon, Rai Bahadur Singh Puri, decorated Order of British Empire. His father was Sardar Bhagat Singh Puri, a government contractor, and mother Sada Kaur, who herself belonged to Dugal family and was daughter of Sardar Bhushan Singh Dugal. He had one older brother and 4 sisters. He was the second son. They lived in Rawalpindi. Guru Gobind Singh Ji and Mataji blessed the Puri family and also gave them their Jora Sahib, which was handed to our ancestor Sardar Ishwar Singh Puri during those times and was carried down for generations. During the partition, family had the Jora Sahib in Dhamial and was quickly brought to Rawalpindi. They were left behind with his Tayaji Sardar Bahadur Ben Singh Puri MBE, part of British Empire and a prosecutor and attorney of Punjab government in undivided India, as he decided he was not going to leave until things calmed down. The commissioner approached him and asked him to leave for his safety. But Sardar Ben Singh Puri did not want to leave the Jora Sahib and wanted to stay with it, and stayed under British security until independence. After independence, the British officials put him and the Jora Sahib on a private plane, and they were sent to India. Today, the Jora Sahib are currently with his family in Faridabad. In 1960, our father's professional career started. He joined the Border Roads Organization and served as Class 1 officer for 30 years. He served Border Roads Organization from 1960 to 1990 as Officer Commanding Class 1 Deputy Director in Border Roads Organization, Deepak Project, Dantak Project. He traveled mostly and was posted in many states including Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Rishikesh UP, Manali Himachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Kohima, Nagaland, Imphal, Manipur County, Chapcha, Bhutan, Basantpur, Himachal Pradesh. His family, which we are present today out here, he got married to my mother, Mrinali Singh Puri, who's sitting at the back, on 13 July 1967. And today, as you see, all his daughters, Jyoti, me being one, my sisters Gauri and Kirti, and he has two grandchildren, Kuvam Handa and Yalpi Handa, as they are also present here today. My husband, Dr. Sumit Verma, is sitting at the back there too. We lived mostly in Dehradun, while Papa worked in different states in India. We finally moved to USA in 1987, and since then, my father has been running his business out here for 20 years. Our father is a simple man. He wakes up every morning at 4:30 a.m. and does Gurbani. He has always talked about values that are instilled in the Guru Granth Sahib. He says, only speak what's necessary. Taking God's name at all the time is important and making sure we serve the needy. He says, bow only in front of God. Papa says he's the bestower and everything we do and are able to do is with his grace. We should be thankful for what we have today. Our dad has always been a gentle heart person, loving nature, and has touched many. What I remember most when I visited his mess, kids loved him. And what I remember about my childhood days and were the best moments were listening to him sing. He's an amazing singer and loved to sing, listen to Sehgal, Lata Mangeshkar, Mukesh, Gurubanis. While in India in the morning, we woke up with the Gurubanis until today, when we visit, we wake up, listen to shovels. He has lived through India's transformation, partition, has been part of wars, had to adjust from Pakistan to India to USA. It must be indeed a journey of struggle, change, and adjustment, and he has done it all with grace. We want to thank our father and mother for raising us so well, giving us the knowledge and teaching us true meaning of life, equality, love, and peace. Congratulations to my dad for receiving this honor today, and we want to thank the Gurdwara Sahib out here and everyone out here for being around with him, giving him the love and support always. Peace to everyone. Sat Sri Akal.
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਦੀ ਫਤਿਹ।